by Gallagher. Tries to get it on net. Score! They have struck early in this one.
When you're thinking about taking a wrist shot, it's all about weight transfer. Transferring your weight from your back foot to your front foot when you're shooting that puck. That's exactly what happened there.
Absolutely a great shot, Edzo.
Up the wing, driving on. Oh, cut that right away.
Turris was in the low slot. He found the rebound and beat the goaltender.
Well, sometimes you just have to say that's a great move. Both once on the forward, once on the goaltender.
Possession gained by Van Riemsdyk. Brings a shot. They score! They only trail by a pair.
Van Riemsdyk's decision was pretty easy. This low in the slot, just snap it home.
Well, he can't get his pad down quick enough to make this stop. Really good shot, as you mentioned, Eddie. I think that's one he should probably stop.
They've got it between the blue lines. And he steps across the line. Lets it go. He scores! Chara!
Goaltender had no chance with that wicked shot.
Anderson's not able to get the trapper on this one. The shot just blew right by his glove.
Snaps a wrister. Front of the net. Had the goalie beat and glanced it off the post. Score! They have struck early in this one.
Puck support like that, you got to move your feet, move the puck, move yourself, and you're going to be rewarded with a goal.
The passer recognizes that he's got to get the puck up in the air, but he displays sweet hands as it goes just over.
Cut on by with that one. Elevator. Score! And the place goes nuts.
You want to score goals, you got to get to this area of the ice.
The passer recognizes that he's got to get the puck up in the air, but he displays sweet hands as it goes just over the stick and lands flat on the ice.
Sneaks in. Lets it go. They score! A first one of the game, and it's early.
Zetterberg's quick hands allowed him to snap that one off and score the goal.
Leonard's quick reactions, Edzo, aren't enough. That's a beautiful shot up over his shoulders into the top of the net.
Lets the shot fly. They score! And they've tied the game up.
Ennis gave the goaltender no time to react with that quick snapshot.
Bishop's not going to stop that one, Edzo. It's delivered so perfectly just inside the post.